I just received these kitchen utensil set that I ordered. This is the box they came in. I want to open them up and show you what they look like. Okay, so this is out of the box, and I did choose this set because it came with something to hold the utensils. Now this just came to the side, packaged by itself, but these here weren't individually packaged. They were just put in there like that with this bag covering. Let me go ahead and open it all up and spread it out to show you each one. So here is everything taken out of the package. Wanted to lay them all out for you to show you. And they are heat resistant. Now the reason I got these is because I have plastic ones and they are not doing the job. These are silicone. These are supposed to not only help with my non-stick cookware, but they're also not supposed to melt. Now they can melt if you put it over 450 degrees, but under that, they shouldn't melt. So I'm really excited to try these and see how that works out. So just to point out what we do get is you get your spoons, you get tongs, you get a brush, you get a whisk, spatulas, and then you also get the case just to hold them. Let's look at one just to show you the quality up close. Now they do bend a little bit on the bottom. That gives you the flexibility. And they have some heaviness to them. I'm not saying real heavy, but they have some weight to them. So keep that in mind. And here's just a quick look on showing you everything did fit back in the container. However, I won't do that. It would be too hard to take in and out. I would probably put some of these in a drawer, the ones that aren't used most, and then leave out the ones that I do use more. I really hope this information was helpful, and I hope y'all have a great day.